What I've got is some cod that I bought from the local supermarket. I know that most people will be buying fish from a supermarket rather than a fishmonger, but if you have got a local fishmonger, always good to give him some support. And what I've got is a layer of tin foil and a layer of parchment paper. And the reason that I use both of them is that the parchment paper is not that pliable to be able to seal up, and the tin foil can get punctured sometimes, you lose all your juices. So I've got this lovely piece of cod, and beautiful pure white, really nice and thick chunky piece. I've got some thyme, bay leaf that I'm going to put on top, and I made some garlic butter just with parsley, chopped garlic and butter all just blitzed together, or if you're just making it for one, just mash it all up together. And then I've got a small dried chilli for a bit of heat, and then a little bit of salt, and then all you do is fold like a pasty. So I'm just folding this around the edge, tin foil keeping it all there, and I'm going to add, to sort of help make that sauce, now I've got it sealed up, I'm going to add a splash of white wine and seal it up, my big Cornish pasty, and that is then ready to go into the oven. Turn the oven up to like maximum heat and like 240, something like that. Preheat the oven and give that about 10 to 12 minutes maximum. So I'm just going to unwrap this, and you can eat it straight from there, or you can just tip it straight out onto a plate. And I tend to just get a pair of scissors and trim around it and just eat it off the bottom part. But I just garnish that with some parsley, squeeze a lemon, and you've got this really wonderful, look at that beautiful moist fish where it's just been steaming and cooking. Really nice flakes. Utterly delicious.